How to fix a Stremio add-ons not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn 3 solutions for your problem, which is Stremio add-ons not working. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application, get logged into your Stremio account, and on your left-hand side, you will see an extension or adds-on option. Click onto it. Go on to the community add-ons, and from the search bar, type in torrent catalogs. Then click on to install, and then click on to install again. If you are not being able to add any add-ons, then here is what you can do to fix your problem. First of all, go ahead and check up your Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable. Secondly, you can try and clearing up this application's cache from your settings in your PC. If it still does not work for you, then thirdly, you have to check if your application is updated or not. In case you are using the old version of Stremio, this also might cause problem while adding your add-ons, so make sure you update your app, and that will fix your problem. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.